Before our 30 days content creation, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video, I will be showing you how to go live with Restream. Yes, Restream has been in existence since 2015, even before StreamYard and other. But there's this unique feature that Restream has that others don't have. That is why it is now trending now all over the internet, and so many people are using it to get their 4,000 watch hours. So many people are using it to go live, but still, some people still don't know how to use it properly, how to use it to go live. So, in this video, I'll be teaching you how to go live with Restream in a proper way. So, guys, let's go. So, guys, go to your Chrome browser. If you are using an iPhone, you use your Safari because the Chrome is not supported. Use your Safari to enter Restream and type restream.io. When you do that, create your account and you will see this interface. Just click new stream. Once you click that, you will see Restream Studio. Click the Restream Studio. This will take you to the studio where you'll be putting the live video for you to go live. So let's wait for you to load and click on allow this access to microphone. So this is the Restream. As you can see here, we can change the ratio aspect to desktop, so in case you want to go live in landscape or in vertical. So yeah, we can input our video. so yeah, we can input our video. As you can see, all this frame here shows that we just only want to put our video. Here you can split the screens, which means you can be showing the video in a separate screen, but in this case we are only streaming the video. So all you need to go is to click on the three dots below here, click on that and click on video and upload a video. But here I have added my video already, so I will just pick this and pick that. So as you can see here, the screen split, which means there is space for me to put video. Why there is a space for me to still put another video, maybe myself or something. So or you choose this. So you can split screens. You can choose your screens the way you want your life to appear. Maybe you and some two other people, or two people, or just the video. So you can choose. And also the unique feature that Restream has that no platform has, that is making Restream so popular, getting used by creators to get their 4,000 watch hour and everything, is loop video. Yes, loop video makes it to be popular and be useful. If you want to see that thing, loop video means when you loop a video, it means that the live should replay itself when it finishes. So whenever you want to go live, maybe you want to sleep or something, you can just say this and loop the video, which means the video will replay itself when it is done. It will keep replaying and replaying. So for you to get that, just click on the video, and you will see the three dots corner up here, and you see loop video. You can see loop video, which means whenever the video ends, it will replay by itself. That's the feature that is making Restream so popular and unique. So that is it. And for you to go live, you need to connect your YouTube channel. Just click on the plot channel here. When you click on that, you can connect on different platforms: Facebook, Twitch, Twitter, X, and everything. And you can connect all same time, that you'll be going live same time on different platforms. But yeah, I have added my YouTube channel already, so I will just switch it on and click on save. So we have successfully added our YouTube channel. So with this, we can now go live and loop the video, and it will reflect on our YouTube channel. And here you can monitor the people commenting, the people joining. So with this, you can go live. So if you are a creator, a beginner that wants to use this platform, please make sure you use this platform rightfully. Make sure you use them, because so many creators are using it wrongly. Why will you be doing cooking niche and be taking features video to go live? No, which means you are sending a bad energy to YouTube. Because why? Because YouTube, those subscribers you are getting from the fish video, they will be on your channel. that you are using to like that you are posting cooking videos. So please, if you are if you want to use this question, make sure you use your video. As you can see, this is my video. Make sure you use your video to live stream, or you go on Instagram, TikTok, and download videos without watermark and edit it. You need to re-edit it, add something to it, add watermark, add everything to it for for YouTube to know that okay, this is your video. You need to re-edit it and all. Don't just pick a video and come and paste it here. No, YouTube will flag it as copyright, and that can damage your channel. So guys, you will just click. So whenever you are ready to go live, you just click on the go live here. But here I am not going live. I don't want to go live. So you click on the go live and boom, you are live. So guys, use this correctly, and please like this video, comment and share this video to anyone who needs this video. Share it to them, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video. See you tomorrow day 5 same time.